everyone, welcome back. I'm Jacopo, I'm the owner of Eftilo and the designer of Scirocco. And in this third video I want to go a bit more in depth in Scirocco's tone control. As I mentioned in the introduction video, the tone control in Scirocco is quite special and it gives it a characteristic sound. If we look at the user interface, we can see that the tone control comes with two different parameters, the color and the slope. The color parameter can be used to choose or to focus the frequency content of your sound, and the slope can be used to make this focus even sharper or smoother. Now if we go on a full dry sound, that in this case will still process the tone control, this is what we hear with the color at noon and the slope at minimum. In this case the response of the tone control is relatively flat. It's never completely transparent because the tone control is saturating. But in this case, all the frequency content of your signal will be preserved. If we turn the color at minimum, we will hear that the sound becomes darker because the high frequency are removed. If we go fully clockwise, we hear that the low frequencies are removed. If we go back to minimum color and we increase the slope, we hear that the sound becomes even more darker because more of the high frequencies are removed. Vice versa, if we turn the color all the way up, we'll hear that for increasing slopes, even more low frequencies are removed. With this setting, we also start to hear Scirocco's tone control distortion that I mentioned before. The higher the slope, the more distortion you will have because more stages of the tone control are distorting. Now, let's switch and put Scirocco before the amplifier that I'm using. In this way, we'll emulate like a distortion pedal that is put in front of your amplifier. I have a preset called Overdrive that's used to emulate an overdrive pedal. If we remove the Scirocco, this will be the sound. The characteristic distortion of Scirocco's tone control changes dramatically with both the color and the slope setting, since it's baked into the tone control itself. If we go with the color high up and the slope at maximum, we hear this sound. While if you change the color, we hear that the sound changes. So yeah, you can play with both color and slope to find the taste of distortion that you like the most. I think also for this third video it's enough. I went quite in depth in the tone control of Scirocco and showed you how you can focus your signal on different frequencies, and now you can make the plugin distort to achieve a quite fun sound, in my opinion. I think I'll film a last video that shows Scirocco's hidden panel that has some additional settings and can be useful to know. So yeah, thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye!